Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Realme 7. Okay, here is the retail sales package of Realme 7. I bought the 6GB, 64GB RAM variant. It costed me around rupees 15,000. There is one more variant, 8GB, 128GB. It costs 16,999. Here is the phone. On the box cover you can see the Salman Khan, and at the sides you can see the Realme branding, and at the back you can see the Realme 7 specifications such as Sony 64 megapixel quad camera, Helio G95 gaming processor, 30 watts dart charge, 5000 mAh battery, and 90 Hz ultra smooth display. And here you can see the made in India branding. I have ordered the mist blue color variant. There is one more color, mist white. Now without wasting any time, let's open the phone from the box. Over here you can see that, hey, welcome to Realme family message, and in the box you will get transparent case. It is grayish color, and you will get the Realme guide and safety guide, and also you will get a pamphlet, TUV Greenville smartphone reliability verification. In this box itself you will get the SIM ejector tool. Here is the SIM ejector tool, and here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. Here is the 30 watts dart charger, and also you will get the USB to Type-C cable. Here is the Type-C cable. Now let's look at the phone. Here is the phone. Let's open it from the cover. Here you can see the mist blue. Let's remove the stickers. And at the back you can see the quad camera setup, and the back is not glass, it is polycarbonate, but it has a good finish. Now let's try to turn on the phone. Here is a Realme logo, powered by Android. Select your language and select your country or region. I will go to the setup process quickly and I will come back once the setup is done. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up. Here is the user interface of Realme 7. It runs on Realme UI. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Let's open the app drawer and go to settings and click on about phone. Here you can see the device name Realme 7 and the Realme version is version 1.0. And here you can see the processor. It is G95 octa-core processor and the RAM is 6GB, and the version of Android is Android 10. And here you can see that out of 64GB, approximately 50GB is available for use. Now let's go back. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. Realme 7 comes with 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, and it has Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And here you can see the 16 megapixel punch hole camera. To the top of the phone you don't have anything, and to the right side you have power button. It works as a fingerprint scanner, and at the bottom you have the vent for speaker grill, and you have the USB Type-C port for charging and 3.5mm headphone jack. And to the left side you have the volume rockers up and down, and you have the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray, and here you can see that you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. So if you take a 64GB internal memory phone, you can expand it using micro SD card. And coming to the back, as I said previously, the back is polycarbonate, not glass. At the bottom you can see the Realme branding, and you can see the quad camera setup. It has got 64 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera, 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Here you can see the Realme UI. Previously Realme phones used to come on ColorOS, and inside the app drawer you can see some apps pre-installed such as WPS, Amazon, Facebook. Here is the case which we got with the Realme 7. So let's keep the case and see how it looks. This is how the Realme 7 case looks. Here you can see that, and at the bottom the cutouts are looking like this. Now let's test the camera of Realme 7. Let's take some sample shots. You can see that the macro lens is on. You can even use the zoom option. It is digital zoom, not optical zoom. Here you can see that when I select 5x zoom, there is a somewhat blur. Here is the 1x, and here is a ultra wide. Here you can see the difference. Now let's look at the front facing camera. Here is a front facing camera. Smoothing is automatically turned on the front facing camera. Let's take a sample photo. Let's take a portrait photo. Here is a portrait camera. I will take some more photos with Realme 7 and I will attach them at the end of this video. So that's it guys. Hope you like this unboxing video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.